Scott from Scott's Top Tips. This video, I'm going to show you what not to do when you're redoing your patio. So I'm going to turn the camera here and show you what I did, and just over the years how it just turned out to be crap. I have to redo it. Probably just going to pay someone to do it. But I'm just going to walk around and explain just what went wrong. So check it out. So here's my back patio, and this lasted about 3 years, and it just went to crap now. You know, everything's crumbling, and I'm going to walk through here and show you basically what went wrong. But we purchased these rocks from the supplier, and they're beautiful rocks. We wanted some cool little tones, awesome yellow. Put some water on that, it just looks beautiful. You can see here they pop off here, so that was one thing wrong right off the bat. Of course, I didn't do any research on this. I picked them because they look pretty, right? But throughout here, what went wrong? I'm just gonna start here. I leveled all of this off, and I put packing sand and dirt down, and I compacted it all around here, and I did a nice little slope as well. Okay, maybe like a 1 degree. I tried to, so when the water comes down, it doesn't set at the base or foundation of the home. Kind of just goes off, and I have all kinds of drainage out here from our turf. But starting off, that I did wrong is I placed these too far apart. Okay, don't do this. I put like mortar in here, and when I first started off, I put some keystones. So I actually dropped these in some nice mortar, like grout or like cement, all the way through here. Okay, but then from there, I started placing them together. And again, these types of stones, as you can see, they're just uneven, and they're really hard to pack down. And what I mean by that is once I packed it down to try to level everything off, on the underside of those, there's still a lot of crevices and gaps, and it was hard to really compact it down to where there were none. And the rain over the years settled in and just started displacing all the dirt, and then, as you can see here, they started settling in down too. And that just caused all of the cracks. That was one of the main things. Another thing about these types of stones is if you're going to get any stone, don't have iron in it. Look at all of this. It just leaches out with the rains. I tried sealing the rock. Doesn't work. Here's another example. Look at all of that just leaching out. This one has all kinds of iron in it. It just makes it look terrible. So I'm going to have to redo this whole thing because I didn't do my research from the very get-go. So do your research as much as you can, but my recommendation is keep these types of stones. Maybe like I did this here, which is cool. Those worked fine. Just don't put them together on a patio. And I'm curious to see, what you professionals say about this. I mean, comment down below. Maybe it just turned out to be the installation issue where you need to hire a professional. But again, these types of stones for this, I wish I wouldn't have done this. So I'm probably just going to do a stamped concrete. I'm going to pay someone to do that. But I thought this was a cool do-it-yourself, DIY project. And yeah, now I have to redo it. So goes back, do it right the first time so you don't have to go back and redo it. Yeah, hopefully this is a good tip for you of what not to do. And yeah, comment below. I'm interested to hear your thoughts, as well as if you're a professional and installer here, put your knowledge and insight down here so other folks can see that. And this way you don't have to repeat what I did. So for Scott's Top Tips, see you on the next one.